Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today is Indonesia's Independence Day, so I'm heading into the middle of the city to see any celebrations I can find. Come with me, let's go and have a look. Oh wow, my god, there's fighter jets and stuff. I'll see if I can get this on video. You can hear the jets flying overhead. I think they're circling the main square, which is where I'm heading now. There's another one. It's crazy loud, crazy loud. Look at these things here. Oh wow. So we're definitely heading in the right direction. Red and white, colours of the Indonesian flag. Wow, this is pretty amazing. I've never been to a country's Independence Day before, so I think the square is going to be absolutely heaving. Very, very busy. I'm trying to remember, they're doing a great big loop-the-loop. There's 6 Indonesian aeroplanes there doing a loop. I'm missing all the best bits of the show because I'm walking. Maybe I should take a Gojo. There's a lot of these buildings around that are, I guess, derelict, graffitied on. I don't know whether people live in them, you know, squat or what, I don't know. There seems to be a lot of them around though. That old buildings, old businesses are shut down, no longer in use. I've seen some other foreigners, so I must be heading the right way. It's a shame it's so cloudy and or polluted. Wow, amazing. Feels quite exciting being here. Everything going on. Look at this building up here. The whole top half of it has been burned down, caught on fire. Wow, a lot of damage there. And the traditional spaghetti wire of telecoms and electricity and everything else. I can hear jets everywhere. Super loud. Vertically up into the clouds after passing the big park and monument, and then up in the air. So loud. We are right in the middle of Jakarta. Just got the train in. There's some guys cycling in for the celebrations. Red and white livery on, of course. Little folding bikes. Mine's coming soon. I'll be able to take on the train and go explore. Everyone dressed up red and white. Just giving some money away. I guess we're going to get a lot of that today. A lot of people asking for little bits of money. Let's see, there's some food you can buy there. We're almost at the corner by the historic monument. We're getting there. We're getting there. There's some candy floss. It's busy. There's already people going home, so I've got a feeling that I missed the main bit, which is the flyover. I got a little bit of it. This is a shame. Hot today, really hot. It's boiling. So we can cross the road. So just leaping, taking your life in your hands and going for it. Alright, this is, I guess, the main boulevard down to the square. Alright, you can see, it looks quite modern from here, right? High rises everywhere, people everywhere. Alright, there's the main monument that I'm getting head towards. Hoping there's some other things going on. There it is. Right, we are in the park now. Oh, that's a TV boom. But like I said, I think I missed the, should have come this morning. I didn't get out of bed in time. Everyone's heading in the wrong direction for my liking. So that's it, guys, we just saw a little bit of it. Don't worry, I'll be here another year. We'll come back early next year, don't worry. We'll catch the lot. Let's just go and see what this is like. I was hoping there'd be some traditional costumes and dress and dancing. Maybe not here. We got Indonesian Republic trucks here. I guess choreographing the aeroplanes coming across. The Indo Army. We'll go up to the monument first, and then we'll have a look see if there's any little markets or anything happening. Hi. Maybe over there. Alright. Oh nice, we didn't miss it all. Look at that. This is what was happening earlier, they were circling around the monument. I think this is the Independence Day monument. I think they gained independence in 1945, round about then, from the Dutch. The colonisers were mainly the Dutch, like 300 years of Dutch colony. And then I think the English had a little go at one point. And then the Japanese, I think, ruled for a little while. So they were occupied or colonised for many years by different countries. But I think mainly the Dutch. The Dutch are the main ones. More flyovers. Getting nearer, there's a massive screen up there.
Undangan di
There's a very stately wagon there. Garage WN. Oh, look at the amount of trash. Shame it looks like quite such a pigsty afterwards. I think this is a place for people to eat. Look at all these plastic bottles. Man. So much mess. Oh, at least someone's collecting them. Recycling. Oh, it's cool under this tree. A bit of breeze. Very nice. Right, these are all the floats that go around. I just tried to get in, he said no access. I'm going to find out what time. Right, so the carnival happens at 6 PM. Guess we'll be missing that as well, because I'm not hanging around till 6. Sorry guys, I'm sorry, it's too hot. And I got to work tomorrow, first day of school tomorrow. My first day at the new school with kids tomorrow. So I will not be hanging around here till 6. Shame there's so much trash. Look at that, that's trucks. Pretty hardcore trucks, right? Showing the military force and the police presence. Remob. I just got told, I'm not sure, but I got told that a lot of this stuff, I mean obviously I'm way too late, but I just got told you can have this stuff for free, but I think I'm just too late. So I'm guessing that these are all the free food places that people are eating. It's kind of nice that they give food away. Hello. Kind of nice that they give food away. But it's too late. I probably wouldn't take it anyway. I think people here probably eating food more than I do. I've got a lot of excess food in my belly anyway. Okay, so thanks for watching again. I think it's going to be it for today. Unfortunately, got here a little bit late, although we did get to see a lot of the stuff. Hello. Did get to see a lot of the stuff that is going on, which is pretty cool. A few jets, a lot of helicopters. Next year I'll get here about 7 or 8 or something in the morning. But super interesting, super nice place, very friendly. People are very welcoming. So I'd recommend, if you've never been to Indonesia, yeah, get on a plane and try coming here. It's pretty cool. So anyway, subscribe to watch some more videos of me exploring Indonesia, and we're going to be going around mainly Java. Hi, you're right. So we're going to be going mainly around Java and then maybe to Bali, and I'm going to try and get down the strip of islands, so we're going to see a lot of different places as we go. Hit subscribe and then you won't miss out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. The horse is decorated up there. Go for a ride. Looks like the street is pretty chaotic at the moment. People getting in the shade. Try and keep cool. Quite like to buy a drink, but I don't really want to buy one. on the side of the street, as I have work tomorrow and I can't risk getting stomach problems. Military police escorting someone very important in a Hummer.